Nowadays, most of the smartphone comes with multiple cameras and the stock camera application is not up to mark. So we prefer Google camera application instead of stock camera. But again, to get the multiple camera support on Google camera APKs, it's always required to root the device. But huge thanks to recognized developer for providing a Google camera mode which enables auxiliary camera without having root access. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So in this video, let's take a look at the Google camera mode which can help you enable auxiliary cameras on few Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So right now here you can see I have my OnePlus 7 Pro on which I've already installed the Google Camera application. And this Google Camera application works on devices like Asus Zenfone 6, OnePlus 7 entire series, Realme 3 Pro, Realme 5 Pro and Xiaomi Redmi 7. You can download the APK and the XML file from the description below. Once again, huge thanks to the developer for providing us this mode. So let me show you the files. So here we can see we have the Google Camera APK which is around 78 MB and then we have the XML file. Once you download these two files, you normally install the Google Camera APK. I've already installed it. And after you install, you need to create a folder called Gcam. So here you can see I've already created the Gcam folder. Inside this, one more folder need to be created which is called config7. And here you need to place the XML file. Once you are done with placing XML file, open up the Google Camera application and double tap on this empty space. Once you tap, it will show you the option to load the config file. Right now I have only one config file and tap on restore. And that's it. After that, just go inside the settings, advanced settings, and here you should have the option of auxiliary camera. Tap on this and these options will be different on every device. If any device have macro camera, you'll get that option also in the auxiliary camera option. And make sure you have enabled all these three. And I've been using this Google Camera applications from almost 2 days. Here everything seems to be working fine. I did not find any kind of issues with portrait photos or night mode photos. We have all the same stuff like night mode, portrait, camera, video. And one thing what I have noticed on my OnePlus 7 Pro, slow motion videos have slight issues. The device can also record slow motion videos in 1:8x speed, but video lags a lot. And here you can see a small sample of that. And here I won't be showing you the samples of normal camera. I'll just include few samples of pictures and video shot with auxiliary camera options and few night mode pictures. You can also see the comparison with OnePlus stock camera application. And here you can see I have my OnePlus 7 Pro on which I have options like wide angle camera, 1x zoom and 2.2x zoom. Once you tap on wide angle, your camera will restart once. But you can click pictures with no issues. And the same goes with 1x zoom. Camera once restarts, but it works fine. Now let's try with 2.2x zoom. And that also don't have any kind of issues. And here we have a picture shot with all the three options. Now let's talk about the video mode. So video mode also works fine with wide angle, but once camera restarts, this goes to the photo option. You can again select video here. And you won't find any kind of issues recording videos with wide angle. If you want, you can select 1x, tapping on the video mode. And here you can see the videos shot with all three cameras. So this is a simple APK which can help you enable auxiliary cameras on your OnePlus 7 series and few other Android devices. And you'll see lots of difference in the night mode photography and portrait mode. These are the few samples which were shot with OnePlus night mode and Google Camera night mode. On the stock camera application, the night mode is not up to mark, but if you compare it with the Google Camera application, here you get more details and more natural colors. So guys, once again, huge thanks to the developer for providing us this modded camera application which will help you enable auxiliary cameras without root. And lots of you guys have been asking me about enabling auxiliary camera. So guys, you can use this specific application. So as of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.